Paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria, PNH. This is an acquired disease. Here there are mutations in phosphatidyl inositol glycan complementation group A gene called as PIG-A gene, which produces an enzyme that is essential for the synthesis of certain membrane-associated complement regulatory proteins. So there is a mutation in PIG-A gene, which is an acquired disease, that is paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria. This is the only hemolytic anemia caused by an acquired genetic defect. In PNH, the GPA-linked proteins are deficient because of somatic mutations that inactivate the PIG-A gene. The causative mutations occur in a hematopoietic stem cell. All of its clonal progeny like red cells, white cells and platelets are deficient in the GPA-linked proteins. So the paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria can convert into aplastic anemia, and the aplastic anemia can also convert into PNH. The PNH blood cells are deficient in 3 GPA-linked proteins that regulate the complement activity. They are, first is CD55, which is called as decay accelerating factor. Next is CD59, which is the membrane inhibitor of reactive lysis. This CD59 is a potent inhibitor of C3 convertase. So it prevents the spontaneous activation of alternative complement pathway. These are the two main proteins involved. The red cells deficient in these GPA-linked factors are abnormally susceptible to lysis or injury by the complement. This manifests as intravascular hemolysis, which is caused by C5b to C9 membrane attack complex. As the name suggests, the hemolysis is paroxysmal and nocturnal, but it is seen only in 25% of the cases. In others, there is chronic hemolysis without dramatic hemoglobinuria. So this is the most typical type. So as it is nocturnal, there is tendency for RBC to lyse at the night. This is because there is a slight decrease in the blood pH during sleep, leading to increased complement activity. The anemia seen in PNH is mild to moderate. The loss of heme iron in urine, that is hemosideриnuria, causes iron deficiency. Thrombosis is the leading cause of death in individuals with PNH. Complications arising from PNH include venous thrombosis, which involves hepatic vein, portal vein or cerebral veins, AML, acute myelogenous leukemia, or myelodysplastic syndrome in 5 to 10% of the cases. Diagnosis of PNH is made using flow cytometry. The eculizumab, it prevents the conversion of C5 to C5a. This is used as a treatment for this condition. The role of eculizumab is it decreases hemolysis and it also decreases the risk of thrombosis by up to 90%. As the name suggests, it is a monoclonal antibody used for the treatment of PNH. The drawbacks of C5 inhibitor therapy, that is using monoclonal antibodies like eculizumab, are its high cost and the increased risk of serious or fatal meningococcal infections following the treatment. So, immunosuppressive drugs are sometimes beneficial for those with the evidence of marrow aplasia. The only cure for PNH is hematopoietic stem cell transplantation. This is all about paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria. Thank you.